How to unmute someone on Snapchat. So first thing first, make sure you have connected to well stable internet connection. Then once you have done that, you have to update your Snapchat with the Play Store or App Store which is available on your device and then open Snapchat application. Once you open it, you will reach on this camera section where at the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the chat section. So open the chat section by tapping on it. Then after that, let me show you by just muting someone. Hold the particular chat and tap on chat and notification settings. Then you can tap on notification setting. Let's mute this chat and select the timer. You can also mute calls if you wish to and select the timer and tap on done button. After that, you can again tap and hold the chat and tap on chat and notification setting. Go to notification setting again and toggle off the button of mute chats. This way, you can tap on done button again and in this way, we successfully unmuted someone on a Snapchat. So following this way, you can easily unmute someone on a Snapchat that you wish to. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.